The One Cable. Meet the One Cable, the ultimate magnetic charging solution that streamlines all your tech needs. This 8-in-1 cable includes 4 interchangeable ends, delivering a massive 240 watts of fast charging and 20 gigabits per second data transfer. Whether you're connecting USB-C to USB-A or Lightning to USB-C, the One Cable has you covered. The magnetic design prevents tangling and makes storage effortless. Bonus, it can even support a load of up to 50 kilograms. It's time to say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. Spacetop G1. Forget traditional laptops. The Spacetop G1 is an AR-powered device that unlocks virtually unlimited screen space. Using SpaceOS and a Qualcomm Snapdragon QCS8550 chip paired with an Arduino 740, this lightweight 85 grams glasses and hub combo keeps your workspace totally private. The 1080p HD display built into the glasses ensures crisp visuals, and yes, you can even add your prescription lenses. It's mobile, discreet, and productivity focused with full browser functionality. Lithelli Frozen Pack. Cool down on the go with the Lithelli Frozen Pack. It's not just a backpack, it's a mobile fridge and freezer that reaches -4 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes. Perfect for picnics, sports, or road trips, it can hold over 10 cans or 9 bottles. One charge gives you 4 hours of ice-cold preservation, or just plug it into your car's 12-volt outlet for continuous cooling. Show up with fresh snacks and cold drinks every time. Tongue Drum 2.0. For musicians and sound explorers, the Tongue Drum 2.0 is a game changer. This double-sided instrument offers twice the number of notes, richer overtones, and perfectly tuned harmonics. Whether you're jamming at a drum circle or creating ambient music at home, it's built to impress. With its standardized note layout and beautifully resonant tones, you'll be leading the beat in no time. Shine 2.0. The Shine 2.0 brings wind energy to your backpack. This portable 50-watt wind turbine offers 75-watt USB-C output and a built-in battery to store energy for later use. Weighing just 3 pounds and folding down to water bottle size, it's perfect for off-grid adventures. Unlike solar, Shine 2.0 works day or night, rain or shine. Mount it with an optional 6-foot pole and harness the wind wherever you roam. Tornado. The Tornado Cargo e-bike is built for strength and speed, handling payloads up to 400 pounds while cruising at 25 miles per hour. With a 100-mile range, GPS tracking, geofencing, and smart lock features, it keeps you and your gear safe. Real-time alerts and an onboard alarm prevent theft, and street-legal limiters ensure you're compliant in urban environments. It's power, safety, and practicality in one. Hitch Home. Introducing the Hitch Home, a 77-pound hitch-mounted air tent designed for maximum mobility. Unlike bulky rooftop tents, this air tent detaches easily and sets up in under 3 minutes. With no aerodynamic drag or low-clearance worries, it's the smartest way to camp. Bonus, it includes a 12-volt DC outlet to power your gear while off the grid. Tie Spanner 2.0. Maximize your keychain with the Tie Spanner 2.0, a minimalist multi-tool made from ultra-durable titanium. This pocket-friendly gadget includes a nail puller, caliper, nail file, bottle opener, and even a tungsten attack head. Precision machined, corrosion-proof, and fully adjustable. It's built to tackle the toughest jobs without weighing you down. Mag Sleeve. Hydrate and organize with the Mag Sleeve, the first ever water bottle with a magnetic sleeve. It holds your phone, keys, and accessories securely using powerful neodymium N52 magnets. Designed for the gym or your next hike, it even doubles as a phone tripod. Flip it to portrait or landscape and film content on the go without extra gear. Baseus E-Core GH02. The Baseus E-Core GH02 gaming headset takes immersion to the next level with dual-channel DSP chips, 40mm diaphragms, and ultra-low 20 milliseconds latency. With crystal clear sound localization and chat volume controls, you won't miss a single footstep or command. Enjoy up to 40 kHz frequency response and Bluetooth phone compatibility, all while staying in the game. Zera M. Meet the Zera M, a finger-sized, pocket-friendly electric shaver operating at 8,000 RPM. It's IPX7 waterproof, travel-locked, and features LED lighting for shaving in any condition. With 0.01 millimeters thin stainless steel foil and a magnetic quick swap blade system, you'll get a smooth shave every time. No cords, no mess. Moyboard Gen 2. The Moyboard Gen 2 is the epitome of calm technology. A beautifully designed designed wooden board that syncs with your smart home using the Matter protocol. It strips away distractions to deliver subtle, serene interactions. From controlling lights to displaying messages, it does more than Alexa or Google. Without the sensory overload, Awada Lunchbox. Outdoor eating just got smarter with the Awada Lunchbox. This all-in-one solution lets you cook, steam, shred, and strain your food on the go. With separate compartments to keep gear clean and a multi-layer cooking system for meat and veggies. It's perfect for camping, hiking, or lunch at the park. Machinike KT84. The Machinike KT84 mechanical keyboard merges retro vibes with futuristic flair. With an 84 key compact layout, dot matrix LED screen, hot swappable gasket mount, and tactile knobs, you've got full command of your digital workspace. Perfect for gamers, streamers, and coders. It's as powerful as it is beautiful. Pocket Cloud. Say goodbye to cloud subscriptions with Pocket Cloud, a portable NAS that fits in your pocket. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and a built-in quad-core chip, it handles real-time backup, face recognition, and AI album organization. Sync your phone, laptop, or SD card offline with its AP mode. Your data, your rules. Darkmaster. The Darkmaster is not your average flashlight. With 169 degrees diffuse mode, 6 brightness levels, and underwater lighting capabilities, this tool adapts to any environment. Whether you're hiking at night or navigating your garage, its uniform, flicker-free light and compact design make it essential for survivalists and explorers. XGO Rider. Get techie with XGO Rider, the world's first desktop wheel-legged robot. Powered by Raspberry Pi and compatible with microblocks, it can recognize faces, gestures, and even track human motion. With full ChatGPT integration, it's an interactive educational tool and coding companion for creators of all ages. Dexpol. The Dexpol solar charger is a 24,000 milliamp hour powerhouse equipped with 4 foldable panels offering 24% efficiency. It supports PD65W fast charging and is airplane safe. Whether you're charging a MacBook or your phone, this is the ultimate outdoor battery backup, built for the trail but designed for the sky. ProKit V2. The ProKit V2 is a professional-grade camera slider with 2 pan tilt modules and built-in automation. Capture cinematic time lapses, dynamic product shots, and more without touching the math. It's tailor-made for content creators who want Hollywood-style footage without the Hollywood budget. 8,000 kicks. Built for digital nomads, the 8,000 kicks expandable backpack transforms from 20 liters to 45 liters in seconds. Crafted from waterproof, smell-proof hemp, it includes a detachable 5-liter snack bag, quick access compartments, aluminum hooks, and breathable panels. 1 bag, 3 modes, 0 compromise. Air Grip Sports Socks. Yes, socks can be smart too. The Air Grip Sports Socks are made from Lycra with diamond knit construction, shock absorbing pads, and polyurethane grip. Whether you're running or training, these socks lock your foot in place like high performance tires, keeping you stable and blister free. The Vista. Finally, the Vista hammock stand gives you weightless comfort in under 30 seconds. Designed for rocky terrain and uneven ground, it supports users over 6 feet 8 inches with ease. Sit upright or lie back with built-in beverage and phone holders. It's the perfect way to relax after a day of adventure, like what you see. If you love cutting-edge tech and gear that elevates your life, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more futuristic finds and epic gadgets delivered straight to your feed. Hit that bell icon so you never miss the next innovation.